Look up at the night sky for just a moment. What do you see? Tiny dots of light, maybe a glowing moon, perhaps the Milky Way stretching across the horizon. For most of human history, that was all people thought it was. A dome above us, sprinkled with stars like little lamps, all revolving around our planet. The Bible itself describes the universe in this way: the earth as the center, the sun and moon placed in the sky, and the stars created merely to light up the night. For centuries, billions believed this was the absolute truth. But then came science, and suddenly everything we thought we knew about the universe was shattered. The question is, was the Bible wrong about the universe? According to the Bible, creation happened in 6 days. Light was separated from darkness. The heavens were stretched like a canopy, and the earth was formed first. The sun, moon, and stars came later, positioned as lights for the earth. In that worldview, the universe was small. Earth was the center, and humanity was the purpose. But when Galileo turned his telescope toward the heavens, he discovered something dangerous. The earth was not fixed. It moved around the sun. This contradicted scripture and nearly cost him his life. Science told a new story. The earth is not the center of everything. It is just one planet orbiting a star among billions. And then there is the question of time. If you trace biblical genealogies, the age of the universe comes out to around 6,000 years. Yet, modern cosmology shows us a universe nearly 14 billion years old. When we look at distant galaxies, we see light that has been traveling for billions of years before it touches our eyes. That means the universe existed long before humans even appeared. Was the Bible wrong, or were humans wrong to expect the Bible to be a science textbook? The Bible also treats stars as though they were made for us, small lights in the sky. But science reveals stars as colossal nuclear furnaces, millions of times larger than Earth, fusing elements that eventually become the building blocks of life itself. In fact, the iron in our blood and the calcium in our bones were forged in the heart of dying stars. Doesn't that make reality far more awe-inspiring than the idea of stars as simple night lamps? Here's where philosophy enters. Maybe the Bible wasn't wrong. It was just never meant to answer scientific questions. Perhaps it used symbolic language to explain existence in ways that ancient people could understand. If you told someone thousands of years ago about black holes or galaxies stretching across infinite space, it would be meaningless to them. So instead, they were given stories. 6 days of creation, a firmament in the sky, stars for light. Stories, not science. But we cannot ignore the clash. If taken literally, the Bible collides with everything science has uncovered. Flat Earth, young universe, stars for decoration. These ideas have collapsed under the weight of evidence. And yet, billions still believe, some rejecting science, others trying to reinterpret scripture. So was the Bible wrong about the universe? Maybe yes. Or maybe the real mistake is expecting a Bronze Age text to describe galaxies, black holes, and billions of years of cosmic evolution. What if its true purpose was never to explain physics, but to guide human hearts? Science tells us how the universe works. Religion tells us why people long for meaning inside it. Both have their place, but only science has revealed the vastness of what's really out there. And when you stand beneath the night sky, looking up at stars that died billions of years ago just to make you possible, you realize something profound. The universe is far bigger, older, and more mysterious than any single book could never contain.